Ay.
Pinet. Pwede bang sakala? JP the Fire, good morning. Hello, JP. Coffee. Ha?
Nakunan, kamihon mo. Dumara ka masukal.
Tinapay.
O, kay, para sa lapo.
Morning, JP the Pet. Good evening there. Hi. Wait. Looks pure early there. Are you always up at this time? Morning. Very early. Still a coffee. Thank you sa thumbs up. Hi, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mario Susan. Good morning po. Please comment like. Anong brand ng kape yan? Nescafe. Nescafe. Ayan. Very early dito sa labas. Maaga. Sarap. Maaga. Masyadong maaga dito sa labas sa local sa outside. Maaga. Maaga sa labas. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Kumusta? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Morning na. Good morning. Okay. You are so beautiful. Paul Woodgate. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul Woodgate. Salamat. Paul Woodgate. The village. Kape. Sarap. Di masarap. Stick coffee. Aray ko. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat. Kape. Kapeng mainit. Subiri ka. Sino? At sa bawat minuto. Colwood Gate. Where are you from? Colwood Gate. Colwood Gate. Mapa nga, siguro you're American also, maybe. I think. How was your sleep? So, I slept well. I slept well, Greg. Thank you, Greg. How was your day, Greg? That's good. I just got home. Okay. From work. Got home from work. Big. Got home from work. Thank you sa 20 million. Ay, sa 3 million. Sa 3 million. Thank you so far now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Elsiba. Hey, hey, maganda, beautiful. Thank you, Elsiba. Yes, I did landscaping today. Ah, okay. Right. It's good.
Mas mamay.
Kuha sa libro yung kanina. Beauty ay baba. Papasakay ka na. Oo. Hindi, rin yung pinapa.
Stay? Okay.
Hindi, dapra sa ba?
Kain niya.
Nakapagpapo na rin kanito kay Payas.
Para sa lusan. Kaso sa ako, branded lang talaga. Ano yan? Euro.
Ay, hindi na tayo. Sana kung branded ba naraman. Payas na lang ako.
Jeffrey Sagado, thumbs up. Morning. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. Good morning.
Ang hirap silhigin itong ano. Silhig natin. Ang hirap isilhig. Dada.
Ono vlog. Hello, good morning po. Good morning.
Abrak na.
Thank you. Hi, Kevin. Abi Jabi. Sayu Ganked. Kevin. Wait, Abi. Jabi. Tight good. Basketball. What hatil kid. Gan ha? Maganda, beautiful. What do you mean, Kevin? Kevin. Ano sinasabi mo, Kevin? Parang naligaw ka lang dito, ah. Feels so good. Thank you. Alpha Chambika. Hi.
Good morning. Natin. Sobra pa yung video. Sobra pa yung sa video. Yak. 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 Nasakang sa kamay. Sabi sa inyo, hindi siya magpapakaroon ka daw ako ka na. Papayag ka rin sabi ng kaya nila. Ay, ano din si Grace mo? Magbilib ka na kami si Grace mo. Magbilib ka doon. Ang baba din na nga lang, alas 2. Kasi ano? Alas na nakapito mo. Hindi rin turo. Ako na. Hindi na yung bilang madaling araw. Hindi na naaral. Sa Ingles man lang, i-stack nila. Alas, ano pa yun? Alas 4 pa sila doon na hapon. Hindi na ba alauna alas 2? Para naman exciting? Ay, hindi. Hari sila siguro sa iba na barangay. Para makakamalan. Hindi nga na alasan. Ang kauslaan ng gaga.
Gabang. Ada, ay, may tinapay ako na binakal. Gusto mo tinapay? Ano? Okay. Maganda ka. Salamat. Ilse Ball. Donnie Halcom. Hi, good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning,
Tita, tita, kuha mo yung anxious ko.
Sige, babe. Nahanap pa ang gas. Ay, nailan. Matabang magmata. Okay. Mau nga ni ay. Nangyari ay. Madayang ka? Dili ka madayan? Ha? Madayang ka? Matabon magmata ang pipi. Ang pipi, uliman, matabon. mo siya. Ayan, sige.
Wala ikaw na. Ay, labahan. Alam mo, ang sapatos mo sa ruan.
Yan.
Ay, hindi ka ang libo at ling. Ay, tamo ka na kasi.
Tapos sila lasing. Lalo yun. Sa aga yun. Ang doon ang naman yung Hello, what's up? Good morning everyone. Wala bang pakape dyan? Namonetize na ako dati. Sabi mo, Meron yun lang. O, sa tisay, kasi sila ng tagal mo. Hi, Donnie. Good morning. Jose, can you translate it in English, please? Mi amor. Di ko naintindihan. Hola, minha linda, querida, todo bem? Com você, meu amor, di minha vida. Di ko matindihan talaga.
Mi amor.
Mi amor. May amoy.
May amor.
Urugahan lang ni may masita.
Querida.
Kasi, ano po na?
Kakalalaban na kami niya. Ay,
Hindi niya din.
nakabanlaw na ako pagkahapon. Badot mo. Ay, video ka lang. Ay, naka.
Oh, that's yun. Mama! Mama! Di tayo pa ng ego. Upo lang yan.
Ay, baka niya si mama mo.
Ay, Ruby, di ba? Ay, magpindot pa. Sige, nakita siya. Bawal pindot ha. Bawal. Bawal pindot.
Here, si Jessie. Luwas, hindi ang musod to.
Siyan. Sige, kung si Dasige, sa puso.
Inayuan mo na yung baby. Hindi mo na ako pinag-
Ayun sila. Lubag ang mata ko.
Katurog.
Natuturo ka. Upo na ikaw doon.
Ibe! Bebe! Bebe! Bebe!
Hindi ka kaon ng malamig, di ba? Rosang puso, sihon. Rosang puso diyang bata. Wala ko pa ka dililag tagam. Wala ko pa ka dililag. Di yung kaipuan kwetan and abot. Natigulo ako na wifi niraan. Matthew. Ano yan? Ay, gulo yan ang sinunay niya. Di mo nang gala na kanya. Pero daw, ang ginamit ka niya. Siguro gulo daw. Ang wifi. Lord. Salamat sa 4,000,007 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sana makapit kita. Oh, tinapay. Hello po. The coffee. Alright. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye. Didong. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I believe I brought you down to you. Thank you po. Nice. Kape. This a measure Someday, someone's gonna love me. Hi. Abby Jabby said, you kid, truth kid. Ano sinasabi mo, Kevin? Naliligaw ka, Kevin. Naliligaw ka. What, ano? Abby Jabby, what happened, man? You run, lul. Ayan, Keberut. Greg Davis, double tap your screen like that. Thank you. Huh? Thank you. Thank you, Greg. Abby, Jobby, kid, work hard, kid. Abby, Jobby. Abby, Jobby. Abby, Jobby, kid, work hard. Where are you from, Kevin? Where are you from? Everwood. Taga saan ka? Hope you're not my Kevin. Everwood. Hope you're not. Abby Jobby kid. Work hard kid. Abby Jobby. To you whenever looking for too much. Since you're over again, hoping that you meant you know the truth. I can do so much to you. I love you, having you near me. Having you near me. Hello, Eric Cantraguea Diaz Garrido. Hula buena noche, boneta. Wow. Spanish. Hula. Hula. Hula, wala pa suda. Hula, wala pa kami suda. Hula. Thank you. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never meet on the day I leave. I know that you're wrong for me. Ah, sige. Halian ko lang. Ay, ang galing naman ang mag-iwi ikaw. Ay, ang bibi ni mama. Kulodijin, gababang. Ay, nag-iwi. Ay, wala man po, bibi. Ay, di, lang. Very good. Tibigang, hatalabigang talabidang, balang, nagigigil talaga ako kang kampabibang. Mi nombres es Eric Q. Comit Tilaman. Tilamans? What it means? Can you translate it in English? Can you translate it in English, please? English, please. Or Tagalog. 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 Tilamas. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never made until I leave. I brought you down to you. Kape. Before anything else, coffee. Coffee. No, you're wrong for me. Como se llama tu ciudad donde vives? What? What? Cows, what's up? What's up, cows? Como se llama tu ciudad? No te Thank you, Elsebal. Me in Spanya. Silama Santander. You live ang syudad mo ay you're from Spanish. Spain. I'm from Brazil. Elsebal. You're from Brazil. Hi, Elsebal. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for joining my live. Thank you so much, Elsebal. No si Arek. No sitio oye bien. Por la música está alta el volumen. Volumen. Very Spanish language. Yes. It's nice to meet you, Elsebal. Thank you so much for Team Harley. Hi, Team Harley from USA. Shout out to Team Harley from USA. I'm from Philippines. Pilipinas. Dadang! You want? Dadang, tinapay? Dadang! Gusto mo tinapay? Oh. Marcus Ruth. Hello, Marcus Ruth. Hi. Come back. Yes, I go to Cebu in December. Wow. Maybe you have a girlfriend here in the Philippines from Cebu. Maybe. Yeah, I remember you, Marcus. Eric Diaz Garrido. You tengo ganas de viajar all Filipinas. Hoy estoy mirando la ciudad de Pantalla. What it means? Mark, what it means? I'm trying to find one. Ah, okay. You're trying to find one from Cebu. Oh, how sweet. I remember you just yesterday, Marcos, right? I still remember you. Hi, Harley. Harley, hello. Hello, lovely friend. Hi, Harley. No, Harley. Goddess Diamond. Thank you, Elsie Val. Dundee's Apprentice de Español. Okay. Alright. Maybe soon, Harley, I will make live. You single? Yeah, I'm single. Team Harley. Maybe Harley, you will meet my friend. I want you to meet my friend. She's single. You know, Harley, she's single. Also. Hope you like her. She's beautiful. She's kind. She's my girl. Marcos. Hungry Man Vlog. Hello, host. Are you Indian? No, I'm not Indian. I'm a Filipina. Hungry Man Vlog. Harley, yes. Thank you. Okay. Hungry Man Vlog. I'm from Philippines. Pilipina ako. Pinoy na Pinoy. Yes, thank you, Harley. Good morning, Joel Ramondo. Hi, Joel. Thank you. Good morning too. What time? 6:07. Ever been to America? Ever been to America? Bring me to America. Charot. Peace, yeah. And beautiful. Yes, she's beautiful. My friend she's beautiful. She's so pretty. Very Filipina. Or she's also a Morena. Team Harley. Marcos, I will get her because I own ice cream business and she might like ice cream. I will buy you a plane ticket. Ah, talaga? Okay. You will buy me tomorrow. As soon as possible. Charot. Good one. Hi, Tim. The charot SM. Babang. Hala na. You know what? The cat. I will get you first class ticket. Sana all. Hi, Jopasu.
Bye-bye, baby ka lang. Bye-bye.
Why? Why deleted? Jose Costa. Hi.
Kala, bebe! Bebe!
¿Cuántos hijos tienes? What it means? Base Pesu. Jose Costa. What it means? Jose Costa. What it means? Eric and Jose, can you please translate it in Tagalog or English? I don't understand. Seriously. Babang! Ay! Dadang! Kami na dili! As! Dili lang ka mo as sa taas! Nagsusunod si Babang ka lang. Wala kami dali. Dadang! Bakit nandiyan ka baba? Bakit malayan? Bakit malayan? Come here, Dadang! Come here! Hi, Carlos! So sorry. Hi, Carlos. Welcome back, Carlos. Nice to see you again. How was your night? I slept well, Carlos. I thought you forgot me. Marcos wrote, and love crypto. This is the year. This is the year. Crypto? What crypto? Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Never heard of Bitcoin. I never heard. I don't know Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin is online game. Online game maybe. Online transaction. How will I forget a beautiful face like yours? Ah, sana all. Oh wow, it's digital money. Ah, digital money? Bitcoin? I heard it, but I don't know what's happening there. Bitcoin. Magic internet money. Ah, okay. Sana all. You don't use that there, Marcos. Team Harley. Maybe someone use Bitcoin need spend money or involve money, need to invest money like that. So what are your plans for today? Me, I just got off work. Hi Carlos. I'm going to the market today for medical. Jaden, can you squeeze your cheeks? Yes. I did it. Nah. Generas. Did you forget about me? I remember you, Carlos. Just yesterday, Carlos. Just yesterday. Thank you for joining my live yesterday, Carlos. Thank you. I'm not forgetting. If you need a moderator, I can if you want. Okay, thank you, Carlos. Ay, Team Harley pala, not Carlos. Team Harley, if you need a moderator, I can if you want. Okay, Team Harley. Well, Marcos Root, well, have a good day. If you're still on in a little bit, I will be back. Okay, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Marcos Root. Thank you so much. I'm not Carlos. Yeah, maybe I'm not. Yeah, I see. I read. Maybe same green. Green logo. Thank you, Marcos Root. Thank you so much. Marcos, where are you? Thank you, Marcos. Thank you so much, Marcos, for joining me here. Ohio, you. Ohio, you. Jose Costa. No sa que lindo soreso. What it means. Marcus wrote, beautiful weather there. Yes, beautiful.
Kasi tita mo, tita mo.
Jose Costa bossy team Corajem de Ver Praque. Why? Today was a busy day today. Got up later than expected. Okay. I thought, maybe tomorrow. Ha?
Maugas ako may udo.
Ay, dito na lang sa ano, may nag-ano. Pagkatapos na, baby, ha? Ako na. Katingin. Ilagay mo muna yung isa na lang ang slipper ang gamitin. Ano, na. Magasan tayo mamaya. Yung isang slipper mo. Ha? Ay, come here. Ada, yes, eh. Nasaan na yung sarap na yung slipper mo? Ito mo. Slipper mo. Magasan tayo. Ay, busy pa ang sagulong. Team Harley, rain today. Okay, rainy there. Will be safe, Marcos. Yes, nice and sunny here today. Wow, beautiful. Ano, grabe, so much attention po, host. Spencer, thank you, Spencer. Grabe, so much attention po, host. Hi, Spencer, thank you. You too bad. Yes, you too bad. Bad Marcos. Jose Costa, thank you, Jose. Team Harley, how many kids you have? I have one kid. She has one. One kid, thank you. So I do have vacation time for June. I will love to go to the Philippines to see you. If you will, yes, of course. You can visit me here. And I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Carlos Osorio, welcome here in the Philippines. Welcome. At your service.
Anong tao?
Parang tao. Magamit si Tita. Lalaba. Naghali lang kayo, may nag-ano. Let's all go and marry us sa Pilipinas. You know what? I have a friend here. They are single. Mabuhay, Spencer. I have so many friends here. They are single, beautiful, and they are nice. She's nice, no? It's funnier in the Philippines. At your service. At your service po. At your service. Cheryl is only mine. Okay. Hala na. When I go in December, I want to take you in Boracay. Yes. Beautiful Boracay. I wish I go there in Boracay. I wish I go in Boracay. Beautiful Boracay. We need to take a trip to the Philippines. Yeah. Beautiful Philippines here. Filipina. You know, guys, I have friends here. So you need to meet my single friends, no? They are beautiful. They are beautiful. Like charot. They are beautiful and nice. I go there for 30 days. 1 month, no? Okay. So you need to meet my friends. Would love to. Yes. Thank you. We don't want we don't want your friends. But why? If you meet my friends, they're so funny. Funny, nice, beautiful. They are beautiful. Beautiful than me. If you need to meet my friends. They are so beautiful. I just want to. Oh my god. Would love to meet you and your friends. Yes, you need to meet my friends. You know, they are so amazing. Then you would miss out. So many men watching the catch the heart of Sheryl. Sana all, but babae para ako, para ako. But babae para ako. Spencer, thank you Spencer, salamat. May iririto ka ba, Sir Spencer? Kasi maano sila, naghahanap sila ng ano eh. Ng ng someone na nila. Naghahanap sila. Kung ano. Have a good night, everyone. Hi, thank you, Marcus Food. Have a good day. Have a good night there. Ito pala sa inyo. Bye-bye, Ruth. Marcus. You too. Bye. I see you love your coffee. I'm a coffee lover, Carlos. I'm a coffee lover. How old are you? I'm 40. 40 years old. Nakakaintindi ako konting Tagalog po. Talaga? Taga saan ka po, Spencer? Where are you from, Spencer? Same here. Coffee lover. You look 25. Ah, thank you. Oh my God, thank you. Ah, US? Ah, akala US, Spencer, I thought you are a Filipino. I'm 52. Still young. Tim Harley. Na ang puso ko sa wala. Hindi Pinoy po. Ah, okay. Nandyan ka lang sa ano, sa America. Pero Pinoy ka. How do I send you when I'm there? Send? Ano?
Ang kang balubag, hindi rin lang ng sila ng ito na ito nga. Ito na ito nga.
Ama ko di man yan si Grace.
Ito balik. Para bago makarawan nila ito balik, iwan nila ng ito. Ako ni mag-alon. Bakit patuloy ng para? Bakit mahal ng para? Mahal ba? Nabalat mo.
Meron eh. Ay, tapos barato ko ka lang. You look like 25. Fine, not send.
Parang nainingayado na ito na ito.
Ano ba yun?
Ano po yun? Oo. Ingayada ang maingay. Ito ba yung ito na po?
Ay, lalo kong natututunan. Ay, ay, ay! Nakalive ako.
Babae.
Hindi nga na, anong karasirano yun eh? Hi Jerry, hello. Hi Larry. How are you, Jerry? I've been looking everywhere for you. Thank you. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you so much, Jerry. How are you, Jerry? No todo el mundo tiene un corazón bonito de ayudar a la gente a hacer los. What it means? Me gusta la gente humilde sincera. What do you mean? Donnie Porter. Hello, how are you? Hi, Donnie Porter. Yes, I'm good, thank you. Okay. I'm fine, Jerry. Thank you, Jerry. How are you, Jerry? Team Harley, is there any other way to chat with you until I get there? Of course, Marilag. I'll be waiting for me. I will install ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? What is? Ano ba yun? I forgot. Telegram. May ano doon? May ba yun? May Scotch tape?
Ay, ay, nakasip na pinakaupo. Ay, ito po yung may
IG Jerry. Okay. IG? IG, okay. The IG. My IG is I have WhatsApp. Not Telegram. Not Telegram. WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp. Carlos, you are my Sinta. I would love to see you in June. Okay. Wow, si Min June. Sana all. June. Oh, Facebook. Sheryl. My Facebook is Sheryl Marmol. My Facebook page, Sheryl Ohm. Sheryl Ohm. Be faithful to me. Be faithful. Yep. Ano ta kaya nag-ano? We can go to the sea together. Yeah, mini. Pagabuha. We have mini sea here. Bicol. Be faithful to me. Jerry. Oh. Palubuhan naman sa bilang. Ayun lang. Which one is your favorite? I want to visit here in Bicol. Matnog, Boracay, Simi Boracay, like that. Baguio, my favorite. Favorite place to visit. Baguio. Palawan, beautiful place. Bicol. Ikaw lang ako. I want some maganda Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Don't let these guys fool you. I'm the only one here that can come to marry you. Oh, really? Jerry. Carlos, oh, how about you can stay in a beautiful hotel if you like. Expensive hotel here. Very expensive. Need much money. Expensive hotel here in need much money like that. Need save money. Ikaw. No, it's okay. I have the money. Really? Wow, sana all. Sana all my pera. Sana all my money. Are we going to this rice field? Today maybe I try to go to rice field, Greg. Bring your niece. Busy now. Busy today. Today's busy. Thank you, Greg. Johnny Parker. Wow, Sheryl, I thought you were single. You have all kinds of boyfriends, Lulu. Huh? Yeah. Hello, baby from Italy. Carlos. Very skillful to my new girlfriend. Jerry. Oh my God. Wait, you? Hala na. How old are you, Jerry? Tama na yan, ya. Maula na ito. Wala na sila. No? Doon may butang. You have jokes, Jerry. Yeah, nice joke, Jerry.
Tita, tagit pa man.
I'm not old, Lul.
Tita, tagit pa
Jerry
man
is
sa de. Tagit pa man.
You look a little old, Jerry.
Yeah.
They are going to be fighting. It will
Tita,
be
tagit pa man.
No, don't fight,
Tita.
please.
Tagit pa man ang chat.
Paano puntain ni Lolo mo? Ay kung magpula.
Ay, ano, dito ka na isa.
Tita, dali na. Tita, butawan na siya rito, be. Sabi ako sa tita, kaya
Ano ko, maubos na yan. Nahi ka? You're funny.
Ay papel, ika papel din, no?
Halata kay, anong ko muna sa papel? Sa plastic ko.
Ang sulat na
I'm however old Sheryl wants me to be.
Tita,
Oops.
bakit na lang yan?
O, sige.
Wala ay sa din.
Thank you, guys.
Ano rin? Tita! Ay naman ko po, diba? May pastik kita.
Ayaw! Sana na. Here's going man. Young man, I know you, Sheryl. Ah? Young man? I'm going to the beach soon. These days, so I can
Hulog ka na!
Hi!
Masaya ka
How
daw.
old are you, Cheryl? I'm 40 years old. I'm 40 years old, Jerry. Thank you for clarifying. Like, she's 40, Jerry. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for ano. Thank you guys for ano. Thank you guys for ano ba yan?
Hey!
Gab! Gab, bantayan mo si Asha kay mapabungto kami. Kay maano kami. Pa, hindi. Oh my God, I thought she was eating. Ha?
Yan na.
Ano?
Hindi ko binigyan na.
Pa? Oh, paano? Sorry.
Ano ka na?
Oli man tulos kami kay para mapamedical na lang kami.
Sige ba, hangat na muna.
Opo, talaga.
Ako dali na magpita. Galing ko na lang. Halaga na lang. Puno ka tayo.
Inom ako. Kita.
Kinain ka ba nakaraan dito? Kuha na dito bugi. Para kita. Thank you po. Hi, Mom. Thank you, guys. Okay, spill out. Facebook, sorry. Sheryl Marmol. Sheryl Ohm. Sheryl Marmol. My Facebook. Sheryl, SHERYL, MERMOL. My Facebook. Marmol. MER. Sheryl Marmol. Dapat may tip talaga yan. Tip. You have to pet us first. Jerry Charot. Cheryl. Thank you guys. I'm 62, Cheryl, and young at heart. Wow, still young. Jerry. Oh my God. You're like Thank you po.
Ako na.
Step ka?
Ayaw! Mami, kapag ang
Oh no, Jerry. Team Harry. Hey, Cheryl, is your girl, Jerry? Oh my god, what's the question of Jerry is your girl, Greg? No. No. She's, Jerry is my friend. Ano, may Greg is my friend. She's very... We're nice friends. Balay.
Iwan mo naman. Balik ka na. Balik ka na.
Hayaan mo na kahit ano, love-love-lovein mo si baby. I know, Greg. Thank you guys. Is that future mother?
Ay, sorry. Hello. Hello, good morning. Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Jerry. Hi. What's up?
Mura pa. Pag mata negro, nagpapasakay tulos.
Hello. Mabuhay, Philippines. Ay,
Sorry ha dahil tayo basa ko na ang comment sa Facebook.
ano yun? Has she is ever been
Never been married. My cousin. Hello, sister. My cousin. I like
Yeah.
more everything. Every minute and every hour.
You like it every minute, every ano? Pagawa ng duwa. My breakfast. Bread. Every morning. Hello, Jerry. Hello. Cheryl is my cousin. Jerry. Jerry, nasan ka? Yeah, it's a pig. Oh, really? Ala, no. Oh my God. Sana all. Sana all, Jerry. Kung duman nga raw nga. Nothing more na. Ay, we need each other. Oh my gosh. We need each more. Share your blessing, Tim. Naghanap ko ng baterya. Tim, share your blessing.
Kasi are you married with See, Tim, it's not how much money. It's how much love. Cousin, are you married with children?
Uy, napot ni Greg. Greg, Debes, napot yung ano ka.
Ano ba to? Cousin, are you married with children?
Ako ba to? Ikaw.
I have... Paurag maghuwa? Yeah. Yes, Greg. to meet you, Greg. Sige na ran, ano ni Tim, bahala ang na duwa. Nag-aagawan sa inyo.
Sama ano?
Wala.
Di man yan sa ano yan, Sarah.
See,
Team, it's not how much
we need
money
each other. Yan pa.
you have. Jerry, I have more money than you.
Ayan, yan.
Ate, si Harley.
Mm.
No, Jerry, thanks, he is. O, tana. Hey, kasi I'm going to marry Sheryl. Ano ba yun? I like number 15 though 100. I
Nice to
like number 15. Nice to meet you also. Cheryl, read your comments. Read comments. Wait, I need to read it. What is that? A dinosaur. Is that my future mother-in-law? Bye.
Hello. Nice to meet you also. Maganda ka.
Nice to meet you also.
Shirley. Sino sabi na di maganda ikaw? Nice to meet you also. Maganda kasin.
Maganda ka daw.
Thank you, Greg.
He wants you to know I want you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want you. Ha. What is your name? My name is Myla. Myla. Nice to meet you. Myla.
Mami, ano kami, may medical. Ay, bawal ang bata sa baba. Kasalubungan ko, siguro doon na ni. Kasalubungan ko kami. Bali, ang gusto mo ko ay naghahanap ang pera ni Aras.
Yeah, Myla.
Nagkanito si Dada. Asan ko? Kapatid ni Mali. Say Dada.
Bibek!
Akay.
Na.
Strategy ni Rayo. Nanang, pamahawan mo. May tinapay didi ho.
Myla, my future cousin. Yeah! Yeah, Jerry.
Monterrey, there will be no wedding. Bye, Rame. Shall I go with me? Boracay.
Oh my God!
Boracay!
Can I join you? Cheers! Charot! Boracay is so beautiful! Nga. Che, nag-message daw siya sa FB mo. Ay, nag-message ko na siya sa FB mo. Sa 10 by 10.
Okay, thank you, Tem. Hi, Joey. Thank you so much, guys.
Sim, she will fall
Thank you
in
for
love
the
with me.
likes, subscribe.
What is
Thank you for being
Sarap
friend with
me.
me. Thank you also. Thank you. Wait, I'm going to take a walk now.
Tim, please stop flirting with my fiancé.
Bibe! Sige ba naman masunggudo. Makarigos ko na ako. I'm going to take a bath. Stay tuned.
Ay, lang, mangaw-ngaw ka.
I sent you message. Why do you have a pin inside? No, the pin is outside. But the voice of pig is very loud.
Yeah. Ayan.
Papansin mo yung pig eh. Papansin mo ka pig. Papansin mo ka pig. I never Ay, dito naman ay. Why?
Ano, nag-stop talking na sila. Sawa man.
Loud, yes. I will be back.
She will be back because she is,
Galing sa tita ba?
she take a bath.
Inisip na si mamay mo. Mapakulitin pala
Si gabi pa nung na, masungod doon. IG, Greg, Jerry, 1077. Jerry, where is US? In US. Jerry, where in USA? Right now. Team Ireland. Cheryl is take a bath. Greg. La 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 la. I can't remove on and widget in our
Hindi ko nagaama. Kuwangan burulan na ilan na banaba.
Ay, ano sila?
Hindi para kulog ko na tiad. Ano dan isuda? Dila isuruda.
Dibe, kumani ka di, Dibe! Ano naman din ito?
Ano init pinatay mo?
I think she's too busy for a minute. Huh? Wait, what? I gave many chances before I did that. It's fine, I would take her to lunch and grocery shopping for her and her son. Ha, Tame Harley, thank you. Her cousin, sit down, everyone lives. I'm not worried. Her cousin. No, Greg, just don't be the problem you're keeping out for her channel. Huh, what? Right, choice. I don't talk to girls. I moderate for it. It might damage her channels. She can have who she wants. I'm not her. I'm playing Jerry. How I'm being creepy. Oh my god, what's happening? It's completely like Jerry. Sarah. I did like her before I started moderating, but then I had to act professionally. Greg. What does Sarat means great? I stumbled across her. Thanks for finding her for me, Greg. Yes, but don't link it to your YouTube because they will pick some of it. She needs to keep it only to her bank account so she gets all the money. Sheryl is special. I'm glad I found her. Oh my god.
Ay, na naman yung pipe. Ay, artistahan niyo si Atle.
Mau pa naghibiya. Ato. Mau pa naghibiya.
Ay, inuwi ko ng tabi, di pa si mama mo. Ito, paano na? Ano yun?
Ay, may mga taas ka nagkawalara. Ang mga taas ka nagkawalara. Bili niyo siguro, magugas. Okay.
Sige. Nakaluwas.
Ay, wala sinta sa doon pula.
Lalakaw na ang tasa. Paano pag nagdaan? Hanap pa daw yung tasa.
Ano naman doon?
Bili niyo siguro ng nagkasa.
Tulong yung silipin ko. Ako lang tulong na tasa.
Beag nabuka.
Bili niyo siguro ng nagkasa.
Show special letter.
Sapok niya.
So get.
Akin sapok niya.
Yes, but don't think
Ang
it's
nagkasa.
YouTube because.
Ah,
Hi, my beautiful lady. Hi, Carlos. I have a lot of friends in Bicol too. Wow, sana all. I will have to look at.
wah.
Oh my God, sure. You look amazing.
Ang plastika doon, kawara na. Kaya di na mag-grabe chin, kuhan. Kaya mabuto ka nung gamit, wala.
Kaya magkano ka baso daw? Hanap sa baso. Disposal ka baso.
Tarapok na yun, kaya man, ubos.
Tasa. Disposal ka tasa.
Wala na magbutang ita sa. Kaya nakuwara man, pangburukahong ko yung dide. Kauhulag ka mo. Magkuha na mo siyang gamit niyo. Sino yung para burutang dili. Buro wara. Burutang dili, burukaw ko manak yun. Ayan, kasi makuha ka wara. Dahil wala ang gamit dito.
I'm not actually if you lost 100.
Ay, wala ano. Kahit marahat na lang ito.
Oh my God. What happened?
Wala ka tiping. Wala ka tiping.
Gab, I have, ano, Gab, baby, Gab.
Yay! Ayun pa. Katang ko na nga. Oo, nang wala. Yay! Piyaman.
I sent a message on Messenger. Okay, delete. Hi. Okay. Can you not receive super chat? Not yet receive super chat. How I wish. Sure, hope you what? So you're getting ready to do your grocery shopping again, no? Work related. I'm going to do it. Thank you guys for joining my live streaming. How are you? How are you? I'm a little bit busy now. Do you have WhatsApp? I have no WhatsApp. My phone full storage for install another app. No WhatsApp. That's why no WhatsApp. God is good all the time. Ano ba itong nadarama? O shucks, sige babe, pag-ibig na. My perfume. Fiona. Yay. Feels so good. Hey. Okay, I will buy iPhone 16. Really? You will buy me iPhone 16, Tim Harley? It will be start of a beautiful relationship. Hi, Jerry. Relationship. iPhone 16. So very expensive. iPhone 16. For you, yes. Wow. Wow. My reaction is wow. Sana all. My God. Send me a text message with your address so I can send you letters and pictures of me. Okay, send me a message on Messenger, Carlos. My Messenger. Picture of you. How are you guys? You have my number. Oh yeah, I forgot. Carlos, you are weird. Weird. Okay, I forgot. Maybe busy, still busy. Carlos, so still busy. Today is one. So busy. No, what time is it now? Kanlan. 7. My mirror. The mirror. I'm going to with my mom. Mother Earth. Okay na yan. Okay na to. Carlos, she has no load. Yes. No load. Need load. Need to buy load. A load. No load. Oh my goodness. Hi. Her. To, no? Listen to stop eating. Yes. Stop eating. So, okay na to. Going to I'm going now. Carlos, you have no chance. I don't hate. Cheryl had no boyfriend now. She has guys. And she doesn't have one. Cheryl, I want you to be my Sinta. Thank you so much. For now, I'm going to be for work. Thank you. Bye-bye. See ya. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, Cheryl. See you later. Bye-bye. Thank you all, guys. Bye.